Excellency, the President of the Republic of Fiji, and delegation, sir.
Come and ask your Excellency. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Yes. Hi, Commissioner. Thank you. Hello. We'll go ahead. Yeah.
Excellency, it's a great honor to come and call on you this afternoon. It's a great honor to visit a neighboring Pacific Island country. A great friend of Fiji has stood by us over this period of time. Very good juice. I bring the greetings of the Prime Minister, the government, and the people of Fiji. And as you know, my program is that I'll be here for the next 2 days. And I'm looking forward to meeting others and Solomon Islands government. Some old faces.
Yes.
Which I'm familiar with, so I look forward to seeing them. It's a short visit, but it's the beginning of a visit that the Prime Minister and the government has asked me to do in the Pacific Island countries, to show our appreciation for standing by us over these trying years that we've had, and now that we've finalized our constitution and that we are headed for elections next year, before October next year. So things are online, and we look forward to that event, and they will take place. So that is really the reason why I'm here, is to show our appreciation to you for your support over this period of time, support during the IDF meeting, its establishment, and always standing by us over these years, and giving us the encouragement and the courage to move on and finalize the process of getting back to democratic government, which is now established and is well underway. So once again, sir, it's good to be here, to see you, and you're looking healthy.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. It's a strange to Honiara and Solomon Islands at large. We are always happy to see in ensuring that at the end of the day, when the time comes. You would have some idea what to do here from Malay.
From Malaysia.
Yeah, that's where I come from. And this is a mushu, and it comes from the Western Province.
Thank you very much. Excellency. Thank you. This is a gift from Fiji. You know, it's to
Yes,
some people.
yes, that's right. Yes, thank you.
All gatherings in the village.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency.
Thank you. Thank you.